Yes, you can still win in 2025. There are only a few months left in 2025. Most people see that as a deadline. Smart investors? They see it as an opportunity to cash out before the year ends. Right now, while everyone else is cutting back, playing it safe, or simply panicking. Those who understand money are quietly positioning themselves to earn real returns before December. And the best part? You don't need to be rich. Some of these investments start with just a few dollars. They're short-term, powerful, and you can act on them today. So in this video, I'll walk you through 5 smart investments that can pay you back within the next few months. Simple, realistic, and results-driven. Ready to finish 2025 stronger than you started? Let's begin.
Investment 1. Treasury bills.
Let's start with something that's often ignored, but used quietly by smart, wealthy investors: Treasury bills. Here's what it means. You lend money to the government, and they pay you back with interest. Simple. Safe. Predictable. You can choose terms like 3 months or 6 months. Which means, if you start now, your money comes back before December, with guaranteed profit. This is not the lottery. It's a fixed income investment backed by the government itself. So the risk? Extremely low. And the return? You already know it up front. No surprises, no gambling. If you're the kind of person who hates uncertainty, who wants cash flow you can count on, this is the smartest place to begin. And no, you don't need millions to start. Many platforms let you begin with a few $100s, or even less. Where do you get them? Investment banks, mobile apps, or brokers. Log in, choose your term, and put your money to work. If you're serious about ending the year with more than you started, this is where your journey begins.
Investment 2. Commercial papers.
Now, if you're ready to take one step higher, commercial papers are where smart investors start earning real returns. Here's how it works. Instead of lending to the government, you lend to big corporations. Banks, telecom giants, manufacturing powerhouses, companies that move the economy. They take your money for a short term, typically 3 to 6 months, and they pay you back with interest that beats Treasury bills. Why? Because the risk is slightly higher. It's not backed by the government. But if you choose the right companies, the payoff is worth it. So here's the rule. Only go with solid, well-rated companies. Think of names like large banks, major industrial firms, or public companies with a track record. And yes, you don't need to come in with millions. Today, many platforms and cooperatives allow group investing. You pool your money with other smart investors, and together, you access opportunities usually reserved for the rich. This is how smart communities grow wealth. Quietly. Together. Strategically. If you've been saving for the last 6 months with no real gain, this could be your first real move, and it could pay off before the year ends.
Investment 3. Money market mutual funds.
Not sure where to start? Worried about choosing the wrong investment? Then this one's for you. Money market mutual funds are the easiest way to invest, even if you know nothing about finance. Here's what happens. You put your money in a fund. That fund is managed by professionals who take your money and invest it in short-term, low-risk assets like Treasury bills and commercial papers. You don't have to choose which bill, which company, which platform. They do the hard work, you enjoy the returns. And the best part? You can start small. Really small. On some platforms, the minimum is just $10 or even less. This is diversification made simple. Your money is spread across multiple safe investments. So your risk goes down, but your income keeps growing. And it's flexible. Most of these funds allow you to pull out your money after 30 days. So whether you want to lock in until December, or keep it liquid in case of emergencies, You stay in control. No research. No spreadsheets. Just passive growth, managed by experts, paid to your account. This is what smart, busy people use to grow their wealth quietly. And now, it's available to you.
Investment 4. High-interest savings platforms.
Still keeping your money in a regular savings account? Let me be blunt, you're losing money every day. Banks give you 1, maybe 2% a year. But right now, some platforms are offering 15 to 25% annual returns. Just for locking your money for 3 to 6 months. That's not investing in stocks. That's not buying crypto. It's just moving your idle cash to places that pay you real interest. Think about it. Have a vacation planned in December? Saving up for a wedding, a new project, or just a better start in January? Then why leave your money parked in a dead account? These platforms, like digital savings apps, let you lock in your funds for a fixed period. Some offer total flexibility. Others give you a boost if you commit for 90 or 180 days. It's like your money is working a side hustle, even while you sleep. No trading. No risk of loss. Just smart saving, with better rewards. You've worked hard for that money. Now it's time it works hard for you.
Investment 5. Fixed deposit or bank placement.
Let's be honest. Not everyone is ready to trust apps or try new platforms. And that's okay. If you prefer to play it safe, fixed deposits or bank placements are your best move. You walk into your bank. You lock your money for 3 to 6 months. And in return, you get a guaranteed interest. No surprises, no market drama. The return might not be the highest, but it's still far better than letting your cash sit idle, earning nothing. This is the classic investor's move. Simple, safe, predictable. And right now, with just half the year left, this could be your bridge to December. A way to protect your money and still earn quietly on the side. If you want peace of mind and a payoff before 2025 ends, fixed deposit is still a smart, conservative way to win. You don't need to chase every trend. Sometimes, the old way still works. Especially when it pays.
Summary and strategic reminder.
So here's what we've seen. 5 short-term investments. All of them can be started today. And all of them can pay you before 2025 ends. From the ultra-safe treasury bills to the higher return commercial papers, to flexible, beginner-friendly options like mutual funds and high-interest savings. You now have a clear path forward. You don't have to choose just one. Mix 2 or 3, based on your risk tolerance and your starting capital. Because the truth is simple. If your money just sits there, it won't grow. But if you move, even with small steps, you can end this year with more than you had when it started. And that's how smart money works.
This is just the beginning.
Picture this. It's December. While everyone else is waiting for bonuses that might not come, you are cashing out from smart moves you made 6 months earlier. That's the difference between hoping and planning. Between saving and earning. Your idle money? It's not sleeping anymore. It's working. Quietly, consistently, paying you back. But here's the real win. You didn't just grow your money. You built discipline. You made decisions that most people postpone year after year. And now, you've got proof that small, smart actions lead to big results. That's what financial confidence feels like. It's not just numbers on a screen. It's freedom. Freedom to spend without guilt. To invest without fear. To say yes to opportunities, because you planned ahead. Most people won't do this. They'll tell themselves, it's not the right time, maybe next year. But you're different. You're here because you don't want to wait for luck. You want to create outcomes, with intention. So now let me ask you, which of these 5 investments are you going to try first? Drop your answer in the comments. I read everyone. And if you found value in this video, tap like and subscribe for more real strategies to grow your money, protect your wealth, and turn this year into a financial turning point. Because this is just the beginning. And Smart Financials is here to walk that journey with you.